Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So this was a sound test for the speakers branded Trust GXT. This is the box, USB powered. So I compared with the default sound from a laptop. The difference is obvious. So probably if you're watching this video, you're planning to buy these speakers. So here is my honest opinion. I've used them for the past month, and I'm pretty happy with them. They're a huge difference compared to the speaker from the laptop. But I also have another pair of speakers from Lansing with a bass box. That one sounds completely different, it's on another level, but probably these are very good speakers if you want just USB powered speakers, something that is cheap and doesn't look that bad. This RGB effect is pretty nice. It can be turned off. However, if you shut down the computer and then you power it back, the lights will turn on, so they don't remember to stay off if you turn them off. It has just one button here from where you can set the volume, and if you turn it all the way to the left you can power it off. Usually if I want to power it off, I just set it to minimum and then just disable the lights, and then I'll just leave it like this if I want to use my headphones. This volume wheel it's just made from plastic, but it has a pretty satisfying effect here when you move it, and it doesn't feel that it will break anytime soon. In terms of design, they don't look bad. Pretty basic, just normal plastic. Not the worst, but definitely not the best. But overall, if you look at them, they don't look bad at all. They don't have a jack port, so you can plug in speakers. I mean headphones. But I guess in this price range, it's normal. So I would recommend them. I bought them for about $17, maybe 18, around there. So overall I'm happy with this product. This part here also feels durable. It's just plastic, but I've noticed on some speakers they just add here some sort of mesh that tracks dust, but if you press it too hard you can even break it. This one is just plastic and feels solid. So overall I'm not convinced about this brand Trust, but I guess they can be trusted. This is a decent product, decent speakers. If you're looking to buy something in this price range from $10 to $20, these are not bad. They sound okay even when someone is talking in a video, or even for gaming. I've played a game, and comparing it with my Lansing speakers, it's not a huge difference, and I don't care that much about music or the sound. It just needs some sort of speakers to hear something. So in my opinion, if you're undecided, you can try and buy them. If you don't like them, maybe return, but in my opinion, they're pretty decent speakers. Alright, so this was my review for the Trust GXT USB powered speakers. If you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.